Trade with Athena. Trade with Athena software is already out. So if you haven't checked that out yet, go ahead and check it out. Trade with Athena is basically a software that will help you avoid losing trades and help you put you in position to get in more winning trades. So if you need a software that can do that, check out with Trade with Athena. Okay. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about a trading view indicator that you can use to make trading very, very, very simple. So with this indicator, right, all you got to do is just set up two pending orders. All you got to do is set up a buy stop pending order and a sell stop pending order. That's it. And whatever price reaches first, it will trigger that pending order and you'll get in that trade automatically. All right. But before I dive deeper into this indicator, I want to show you guys the results of this gold trading bot. All right. This gold trading bot has already grown my account almost to almost 500%. It's crazy. That's unheard of, right? 500%, and it's only really been 2 months to be think about it. I started in late January, of course, but really, February we had all green days, as you can see, and then this month so far all green days. Okay, and as you can see, the first week of March we made 11%. Then second week we made 16%. The third last week we made almost 9%, and then this week so far we're up almost 6%. But this gold trading bot has already grown my account almost 500%. You see how consistent and accurate this gold trading bot is, right? If you guys want your hands on this gold trading bot, all you got to do is just message me on Telegram, message me on Instagram, and let me know, hey Andre, I want access to the gold trading bot. Then I'll get you set up. It's only a one-time fee of $1,000. Now, if $1,000 is too much up front for you, then I will allow you to pay 2 payments of $500. So first month you pay $500. I'll go ahead and set you up with the gold bot, and then if you want to continue to use the gold bot the following month, you'll just pay the remaining balance. But this gold bot is worth way, way, way more than $1,000. Just think about how much money you could be making. All right, just think about it. All right, don't think about how much you're spending. Think about how much you're going to be making from this gold bot. Okay, this gold bot has already almost put my account up over almost 500%. Okay, now I'm gonna also show you one of my clients' results. If you guys want to see more of my clients' results, all you got to do is just click the link in the description box below, right? And follow me on Instagram, and then check out my highlights, and you'll see some of my clients' results that are using this same gold bot that I'm using. So this is Sasha Hill, and if we go back in February, right? Really, February was her first month. All right, February was her first month of using the gold bot, right? And she already grown her account almost $4,000. All right, if we check out the percentages, right? Look at this, 300%. Her account has grown over 300%. All right, 300%. This is crazy how accurate and consistent this gold bot is. All right, so if you're looking for something that can bring in some passive income, some daily, some weekly, some monthly passive income, then most definitely go ahead and check out this gold bot, because this gold bot can most definitely produce you some really good profits. Now, I do have another bot, all right, called the DAX bot. Okay. And the DAX bot, if I go ahead and go to the DAX bot here, okay, the DAX bot has already done 17% this week. All right, 17% this week. All right, so this is a new bot. This is a new trading bot. If you want access to this same exact trading bot, right, I'm doing a special, all right, for a limited time only. You can get access to the same DAX bot, right? This new DAX bot for only $150. All right. Eventually, this DAX bot will be $500, and then after that, soon to be $1,000. So if you want to save some money and get early access to this DAX bot, then it's only $150. All you got to do is message me on Telegram or message me on Instagram and let me know, hey Andre, I want access to the new DAX bot. And then, like I said, it's only $150, and I'll go ahead and get you set up with that, okay? But if you want access to the gold bot, right, it's $1,000. The reason why it's $1,000 is because it's, the profits and the results speak for itself, okay? So let's go ahead and get back to the charts real quick. Now, this indicator, I love this indicator. This indicator is so simple to use. Anybody can just you know, profit from this. And it's so simple to use. All you got to do is set up 2 pending orders. All right. All you got to do is set up a buy stop pending order. Right. All you got to do is just get your long and short position tool and match it up with where it says buy stop entry, which is right up here. You just set up 2 pending orders and you target TP3, and then you put your stop right here where it says buy stop sell stop loss. And then not only that, you're going to set up a short position pending order right here where it says sell stop. All right, you put that there. Okay, and then you'll put your stop loss out there where it says sell stop stop loss. All right, and that's it. You just set up 2 pending orders. All right, and wherever price reaches first, it will trigger that pending order, and it'll get you in a trade. So for this case, I like to trade futures when it comes to using this indicator. And if you were to get in this trade for, a 1 contract, right? If you got in for 1 contract, right, you could have made $300 off of this move right here with 1 contract. And this is MNQ. MNQ is just basically Nas 100, but you're basically risking 500 to make 300. Okay, so basically you're going for a 0.6 risk to reward. But hey, this is very, very simple to do, and this indicator is very, very accurate. Okay, so once price activates the sell stop pending order, all I got to do is just delete this pending order, the buy stop pending order, and that's it. Okay, and now we're going to be only in the sell stop pending order. All right, it's that simple. And then look at this. Price even went down even more. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys some more examples real quick. Let me delete this off the chart. So let's go to the next day, the previous day. Now the previous day you could have won as well. So again, you set up 2 pending orders. All right, you set up a sell stop pending order. All right, you set up a sell stop pending order. Right there, we match it up where it says sell stop entry, and you put your stop right there at the sell stop loss. And look at this, you target TP3, and guess what? You will hit TP3. As simple as that. You set up 2 pending orders, okay? And wherever price reaches first, it will trigger that pending order first. And all you got to do is just delete the other. In this example, if I had a buy stop entry pending order up here, I would go ahead and delete that one because this one activated first. Okay, I'll show you guys some more examples. Let's go to the previous day. Well, I have to. I'll show you another indicator too. So when you get this indicator, right? And by the way, if you guys want this same exact indicator, right? All you got to do is just be a part of my community, my team, in a company called Akashex. I'll leave a link in the description box below if you guys want access to this same indicator. You get way more value than just this indicator. You get access to what we call tap to trade. You get our trading signals. You get access to live trading sessions. And if you guys want more information, all you got to do is just reach out to me, and I'll get you more information. But this is just one of the value that you get access to when you guys join my Akashex team. Okay. Now, we do have another version of this specifically for my team only. We have another version of this. It's called, and by the way, guys, all these indicators that you're seeing right here, you get access to when you join my team. You get free access to all of these indicators, right? You get free access to all of these indicators when you decide to join my team in Akashex, okay? I just want to let you throw that out there. But we have another version of this, and it's called Lazy Profits. We have a lazy profit indicator called Lazy Profits version 1, and we have another indicator called Lazy Profits version 2. Okay, so I'm currently using Lazy Profits version 2. I'll put that on the chart, and I'll go ahead and delete this one. This one is it's basically the same thing. The other indicator that you was looking at is called Pip Juice, but this one right here is the same thing, but it comes with a little bit more extra value. This one right here comes with a dashboard, and basically it tells you, let me just put it on normal, that way you guys can actually see what I'm looking at the chart here. Get this up there. It'll come with a dashboard, right? And it will give you a daily bias, all right? It will give you a bias on if it's bearish day or if it's a bullish day. All right, this just basically helps you determine where you should put your where you should which pending order you should set. So if it says bullish, then you want to set up a buy stop entry. If it says bearish up here, then you would set up a sell stop entry. But I like to do both. I like to set up a buy stop entry and a sell stop entry. So in this case, right, what you would have done is you would have set up a sell stop entry, and you would have set up a buy stop entry. Okay. And just like that, you would just match it up where it says buy entry, and then you would target the TP3 up here, and that's it. You set up a pending order there, right? And as you can see right here, you match it up where it says sell entry for the sell stop, and then you just match it up with the TP3. That's it. Okay. Same thing up here. You set up. You see, like, let me just delete this and start over here. You see where it says sell entry? All you got to do is just match it up here. All right, match it up there. Put your sell stop stop loss up here, and then you would target TP3. Simple as that. Okay, and today, this is today at the time of this video, you would have won. Okay, let's go back. The reason why I want to put on this indicator is because let me actually take this dashboard off, because I'm not going to be looking at the dashboard, because I'm going to be setting up 2 pending orders. Wherever price reaches first, it would trigger that trade. So in this case, I don't know if you would have won this one, but let me just go ahead and put our sell stop entry here. Okay, put our sell stop loss up there. We're going to target TP3 here, and eventually, eventually you would have won that one, but it would have went into the next day. Okay, you would have hit TP3 the next day. So you see how simple this is, right? It's very, very, very simple. Okay, very, very simple. You probably would have lost this day. No, price never came up here, so you probably wouldn't even trigger that trade. And the good thing about that dashboard, where it tells you, if it's a bearish day or a bullish day, it will kind of help you avoid losing trades as well. But this right here, never triggered. Okay, it's never triggered, so you would have never got in a sell stop, but you would have never got in a buy stop entry anyway, because price never came up here. So this day right here would have been no trade day. That's if you were just going based off of the indicator. Now this day right here, just delete this. All you'll do is get this in this case, it triggered the buy stop. And again, you just put your sell stop loss down here, match it up, and then you match your TP up with the TP3, and you would have won that trade. All right. Again, if you're trading futures like I am, one contract, you would have made almost $400 on this move right here. Okay, you would have made almost $400 on this move, on this quick little move here, and that's it. You just go buy your day, right? You get in one trade a day. One trade a day is very, very. You can be very, very profitable, and it can help you pass prop firm. Like literally, you can use this indicator to pass your futures prop firm challenge. All right, every day you're making anywhere from $300 to $400 to $500 every single day. Like literally, you can literally pass your challenge. Like in this situation, I'm trading futures. If I have a 50K prop firm challenge, all right, the profit target that I have to reach to pass the challenge is $3,000. Okay, so imagine you make like $500 in 5 or 6 days. You just passed your prop firm challenge in 1 week or a week and a half. You can pass your prop firm challenge in a week and a half. Okay, so let's see. Same thing with this one. You see how simple this indicator is, right? It's like literally you could have passed any 50K prop firm challenge or 100K prop firm challenges just by setting up 2 pending orders here. All right. Again, remember, you're going to match it up. You're going to match it up with this where it says sell entry here. Put your sell stop entry up there to the top, and then you'll target TP3. All right, just like that. Okay. So you would have won this trade. Right? You would have won this trade. Right? So if I wanted, like, let's see how much this would have been. All right, this day would have been only, you would have won only 200. But imagine if you did 5, that would have been 1,500. Imagine if you did 10 contracts, you'd have made $2,000 on this move right here. Okay, so it all depends on how risky you want to be. Okay, I'll show you guys one more example. Let's see if we want this one. Right here, we put our sell entry right there, and we put our sell stop loss up here. We will go ahead and target TP3, and then look at that. You would have hit your TP right here, right over here. Price never came close to your sell stop loss. You would have literally won this trade right here. So again, if you would have took one contract, you'd have made like $200 and something. If you did 5 contracts, you would have made $1,100. 10 contracts, you would have made like $2,000 on this move right here. Okay? But depending on what size account you have, you would want to make sure you're not over risking though. But you see how simple this indicator is? All you're doing is just setting up 2 pending orders. You're setting up a buy stop pending order, and you're setting up a sell stop pending order. And that's it. Wherever price reaches first is going to trigger that trade. Okay? So guys, if you guys want access to this same exact, this indicator right here is just like pip juice, right? It's just like the first one that I just showed you, but this one is specifically for our team. The only difference is that it gives you a biased dashboard. So if I bring that back up, it gives you a biased dashboard. And literally, if you were going based off of this dashboard, if it says bullish, right, up here, then you will only be setting up a bullish, a buy stop pending order. That's it. You wouldn't set up a sell stop pending order. If this up here said a bearish, only thing, instead of you setting up a buy stop pending order, you will only set up a sell stop pending order. This dashboard can help you avoid certain trades and avoid losing trades based on the bias. Okay, so that's one of the things. This is one of the difference between this indicator and between this indicator. All right, pip juice is like very, very simple. If I turn it back on, oops, I have to go back. But you see that, like literally, you would have won like 5 trades in a row. You would have passed a prop firm challenge like in no time, like in a week or 2. But you see the difference. This indicator doesn't come with a dashboard. Okay, it's the same thing, but it just don't come with a dashboard. Okay, so you get this indicator, and then you get the lazy profits indicator, right? When you join my Pacific team. Okay, but all these indicators that you're seeing up here, you get access, free access to all of these indicators that you're looking at on my screen. I'll go in more details into other indicators in another video because I don't want to make this video too long. But you get access to all of these indicators that you're seeing right here on my screen for free when you join my team. I'm going to leave a link in the description box below. It's a link to the company that I'm with, and it's called Akashics. When you join my Akashics team, you get access to all of these indicators. All right, and not only that, you get access to other indicators as well. Matter of fact, I'll show you exactly. Let me bring that over. I'm going to show you guys what you're going to exactly get access to when you join my Pacific team. All right, when you join my Pacific team here, let me bring this up. You're going to get access to our Lazy Profits training that will show you exactly how to use the indicator, the Lazy Profits indicator, and all of the the Lazy Profits training indicator. And then not only that, guys, not only that, you can automate this Lazy Profits indicator. So that means if you don't want to set up the pending orders, right? If you don't want to set up the pending orders when it comes to using the Lazy Profits indicator, you can automate this. You can turn this into a trading bot where it literally will do this. It will literally get in the trade for you based on this indicator. Did y'all hear me? Like if you don't want to manually set up these pending orders, you don't have time, maybe you're at work or you're doing something or you're on vacation, you can automate this, right? You can automate the lazy profits indicator, meaning it will set up the pending orders for you and it will get in the trades for you. It will get out of the trades for you. It will do everything for you on autopilot. So we have a training on how to set that up here. And then also we have, remember I told you get access to all of these indicators up here. Well, we have a training on on how to use all of the indicators that we have, all right? And we'll show you exactly how to pass prop firms and stuff like that. And then not only that, guys, too, we have a Forex Academy. All right, this is for the people that join my Pacific team. You'll get access to all of this information. And not only that, you're going to get access to our Akashics training where we'll onboard you on what you need to be focusing on and how to get set up right when it comes to Akashics. We also have the product training. So if you want to learn more about all of the products that me and my team are focusing on, you'll get access to all of this as well. Again, guys, you get all of this stuff if you join my Akashics team. All you got to do is click the link in the description box below and join my team. Okay? That's it. So with that being said, guys, I don't want to make this video too long. If you guys got some value from this, I will be making more videos like this. And then not only that, probably starting this upcoming week, I'm going to buy a challenge, and I'm only going to use pip juice and lazy profits to pass the challenge. I want to show you guys proof. I want to document this and show you guys that these are only the indicators that you really need to have success when it comes to prop firm trading. Okay? So with that being said, I'm Andre Catnall here from West Palm Beach, Florida. I will see you guys on another video. Take care. Hey, make sure y'all go check out Trade with Athena. That's a software that will literally help you avoid losing trades. But check it out. But with that being said, I'm Andre Catnall here from West Palm Beach, Florida. I will see you guys on the internet. Take care, y'all.